So ready for briefing?
Ready.
OEBs we checked, aircraft status remains the same. No issues with the weather here. One NOTAM affecting us is Charlie is not available.
Yeah.
So it'll be a full length takeoff from 1 and 2. For the taxi, we're expecting to push back out of Charlie 4, facing west, and then out Mike, left on Alpha, all the way to the end.
Roger.
It's a non-standard takeoff due to NADP 1 entered.
Roger.
PFD is climb nav blue, 1 FD2, correction, 2 FD2, QNH 1022, reading 320 feet, target 6,000, speeds 153, 154 Winchester.
That is checked.
Database is still good till the 2nd of December. I've done a full realignment. We're going here to Abu Dhabi with Dubai World as the alternate.
Roger.
With Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, cost index of 50 today and 350 level. Takeoff weight at the moment 76.4 below max landing weight, and we have 0 extra.
Alright.
Performance we'll come back to in a minute. GPS primary accuracy high. Flight plan expecting the Doniv to November as cleared, 17th of June 2021.
I have the same.
So for that we're tracking straight ahead to Bravo Echo 201 above 4,000, speed 230, and then straight ahead to 203 above 5,000, speed 250.
Checked.
Then it's a left turn 064 to Bravo Echo 133 above 6,000, speed 250, and then to Doniv 6,000, speed 250.
Checked.
Total distance 2193.
2217 and all the points are checked.
Okay, RadNav is auto-tuned. Fuel discussed. Secondary is the engine failure procedure. We're tracking straight ahead to a point 18 miles out on the runway track, holding 298 right turns, and at 3,200, that's the MSA, but that's also the platform altitude to come back, so we can stay there.
Checked.
Okay, any questions?
Negative.
So far?
Negative. All understood.
Okay, emergency briefing standard MSA 3,200.
As briefed on the first sector. Checked.
And just for the performance, you ready?
Ready.
Runway 12, full length speeds 153, 153, 154. Green dot 225, flaps 1. Flex 56, engine output 1,900. Stop margin is 106.
That is cross-checked.
Okay. If nothing else to add, then thank you. That's the end of the brief.
That is it. Thank you. Wheel cooling off?
Yes, thank you.
Master caution, engine 2 low start pressure, bleed air supply check. It's 38, it's good. Clear engine 2.
Clear engine 2.
Clear to start engine number 2.
And remove status.
Remove status.
Income actions completed.
Pushback is completed, set parking brake.
Parking brake is set.
Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, taxi holding point, runway 30. Taxi holding point, runway 30, echo with Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Okay, this is brief. Left is
Right side is clear.
A2 Bravo, contact Belgrade radar 133.1. A321 Family,
Keep flight controls.
Ready. Full right. Full left. Neutral. Full up. Full down. Neutral.
Rudder check.
Full left. Full right. Neutral.
Brake check. So Air Serbia just went around.
I wonder what the reason was.
Serbia 18 Whiskey, Belgrade Tower, continue approach, departing aircraft entering runway for rolling.
Approach Serbia 18 Whiskey.
Final looks clear. Left
Right
is
side
Air
is
Serbia
clear.
still landing.
Checked. Expediting with Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Okay, advise cabin takeoff checklist.
Takeoff checklist. Packs are off.
Serbia
Cabin crew
9,
advice, radars on, TICA steering, takeoff checklist complete. Takeoff clearance.
Negative clearance.
Negative clearance.
Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, roger.
Still on the runway, yeah.
Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, runway 30, clear for takeoff, wind 280 degrees, 6 knots.
Clear for takeoff, runway 30 with Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Clearance received.
Confirmed.
Ready?
Ready.
Takeoff. Manflex, SRS runway, order thrust blue.
Thrust set. $100.
Check.
V1, rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up. Now,
Gear up.
AP2. Thrust climb order thrust.
Keep passing 1,800, climbing 6,000 feet.
Serbia 74 Yankee, descend 3,200 feet. 3,200 for Yankee. Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, dobar dan, Beograd radar identified. Climb flight level 310 without restrictions. Flight level 310 without restrictions, Whiskey 3 Golf Alpha. RCB 740 Yankee, turn left heading 030 for base. 030 for base, for Yankee.
Flaps
RCB
0.
42 Victor, descend to 5,000 feet.
Flaps 0.
Down 5,000, RCB 42 Victor. Hotel Bravo Zulu, Mike, Sierra, confirm maintaining 4,000 feet by QNH 1022.
Set standard.
I do confirm.
Standard setting, cross check, passing flight level 27. Now.
Check level 310 blue. Okay, welcome back Just Planes viewers. My name's Scott, I'm the captain here of Wizz Air Abu Dhabi flight from Belgrade back to Abu Dhabi. Today's flight is bringing us from Belgrade. We're crossing into Bulgaria, over the top of Burgas, then over the Black Sea into Turkey where we are now. We're just past Ankara. And then we're flying through Turkey, crossing into Iran, flying down the west coast of Iran, and then across into Abu Dhabi. Today's flight is 5 hours. We've got 3 hours and 15 minutes left. Currently flying at flight level 370 or 37,000 feet at a speed of about 850 kilometers per hour. We're flying tonight a brand new Airbus A321NEO. It's a great pleasure to be flying it, very efficient machine. I've been with Wizz Air now for 4 years, based in Europe, and recently moved to Abu Dhabi to continue here. I've been flying for 19 years. I started in Australia, and then which is where I'm from, and then continued all over the world. And it's a pleasure to be here. I just wanted to let you know about the brand new Airbus A321NEO that we're flying tonight. There's a few differences compared to the classic CEO A320. Firstly, the A321 has been stretched by approximately 7 meters, so that increases our passenger capacity from 180 passengers to 230. And also it adds 16 tons onto the max takeoff weight. The A321NEO also has the General Electric engines, which are 16% more fuel efficient compared to the classic engine option. And it also reduces the noise footprint by 75% and reduces the nitrogen oxide emissions by 50%, which is quite significant. All of this with the increased seating capacity and the reduced emissions allows us to, Wizz Air, to have the lowest seat cost per kilometre, which we're very proud of, and it's a very green airline as a result of the A321NEO aircraft that we're operating. So hope that's interesting to you, and thank you. So I'm back.
Thank you, no changes here. We're 1,000 to go, that's it.
Check 270 blue.
You have controls.
My controls.
2005 is set and cross-check passing altitude 26,080 feet. Correction, 26,940 feet now.
Check, 11,000 feet blue. Approach checklist.
Approach checklist. Baro ref.
1015 set.
1015 set, aircraft version.
A321.
321 DA.
Is 280 baro.
Approach checklist complete.
So, continuing the ILS, over the threshold at 140 feet. Should we need a missed approach, straight ahead 126. Max speed 210, climbing to 4,000 to Itkov, holding 126 right turns.
Checked.
Radnav is auto-tuned. We have India Alpha Echo 109.15. GPS primary, accuracy high, performance. For the arrival, we've entered the current ATIS. Barrow is 280, it's going to be Comp 3, I have GPWS flap 3.
Checked.
Stabilization 1100, MSA is 2400. Fuel, we have 700 kilos, 19 minutes extra. Secondary is a copy of the active. It'll be auto brake low, idle reverse, decelerated approach, vacating to the right, onto, expecting probably Delta 6, sorry, vacating to the right on Echo 7.
Rush.
And then Echo 11 and into 132.
Rush.
Threats, it's a long day, it's middle of the night, so we need to pay attention, back each other up. If there's anything that we're unsure of, we'll
Roger.
Confirm, stop and ask. Any questions, anything to add?
Negative, that's it.
All right, thank you. Brake low, Alt, GS, lock blue, Cat 3 single, lock star, AP2. Speed 180.
Checked.
Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, Roger, can take Tower Levy Tower South, 119.2, bye-bye.
119.2, good night, Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Flaps 1.
Speed check.
363.
Flaps 1. Remove status, all actions applied.
Yes, thank you.
ECAM actions completed.
Lock.
Sky 3 Hotel Alpha Abu Dhabi Tower South, very good morning. You can vacate first, convenient to the right. QNH 1015, surface wind 0708 knots, runway 13 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 13 right, vacate first to the right, Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Flaps 2.
Speed checked. Flaps 2.
GS star. 4,000 missed approach altitude set.
Checked.
GS. Speed brake. Let's go gear down.
Right out.
Right out.
Gear down.
Flaps 3.
Speed checked. Flaps 3.
Speed managed. ECAM memo.
Landing no blow. Auto thrust.
Speed. Autopilot off. Cat 1.
1000.
Stabilized.
Stabilized.
$500.
Clear to land.
$400 above.
Land.
Takeoff India 363. Morning.
Minimum.
Continue.
India 363 Abu Dhabi Tower South. Good morning. Continue approach runway 13 right. KNX 1015.
Continue approach 13 right. Exit India
50,
363.
40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverses green diesel. Echo 10 is next to the right.
Thank you.
$70.
Idle reverse, manual brake.
$400. 100 above.
Land.
Takeoff India 363. Morning.
Minimum.
Continue.
India 363 Abu Dhabi Tower South. Good morning. Continue approach runway 13 right. KNX 1015.
Continue approach 13 right. Exit India
50,
363.
40, 30, 20. Retard. Retard. 5.
Spoilers. Reverses green diesel. Echo 10 is next to the right.
Thank you.
$70.
Idle reverse, manual brake.
Hotel Alpha, vacancy 10, taxi 13, on short 13, Papa 1.
Echo 10, Echo 13, hold short, Echo 13, Papa 1, Wizz Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Contact ground south 123.975, keep up.
123.975, good night, Wizz Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
Nice.
And that's going to be straight ahead.
Ground gray, Wizz Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, vacated Echo 10 to hold short, Echo 13, Papa 1.
Wizz Sky 3 Hotel Alpha, off Dhabi ground, taxi Echo 13 right on Foxtrot, Echo 11, stand 136.
Echo 13 Foxtrot and 136, Wizz Sky 3 Hotel Alpha.
So it's going to be second on the right. And here to the right. Starting a view. Up the landing check is complete.
Thank you.
and 136 will be the last one.
There's 136, A321, taxi light off.
Taxi light off.
So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the flight. Welcome back. We're in Abu Dhabi now. It's 5 hours and 15 minutes from Belgrade. Hope you enjoyed your time and watching, and look forward to seeing you on the next flight. Thank you and good night.